Hi, welcome back to Technosoft 8 videos video training site. So today we will see Python charming ID. So earlier sessions we have seen command prompt Python scripting programming, like how to interact with the Python using command prompt with the basic commands and the variables and strings and lists and arrays kind of thing. But we didn't enter into the actual programming of Python. So you want to do some programming in Python, you need to install Python charming. This is the IDE where you are going to write Python programming and debug and run the Python programming. So let's see how to install and now set up the Python charming. Now I will explain the series of steps to set up the Python charming. Just open this Chrome and go to jetbrains.com pycharm. So where you will have this Python charming software in JetBrains website. So here you will find out downloads and click on download now. Python IDE for professional developers. So here you will see professional and community, two kind of variations versions we have for Python charming. I always like for professional IDE environment, so it's very smooth for Python scripting programming. So I will select this download option here. So it starts downloading of Python charming into my local server. So now started here, and I think it takes some time, 4 minutes left. So it size about 244 MB. I think it starts something like this. So if you go and look at downloads, so my Python charming will get already downloaded here. And just double click on this. So it tells you, like, this comes from the JetBrains publisher. So this is asking about to allow the system to install this app. Click on S. Now it will ask something like, the welcome to Python charm setup. Click on next button. So it will ask for destination folders where it is going to keep all the relevant files of Python charming programming. So this time I'm just giving pycharm. Okay, that's enough. I will place the files on this similar folder, pycharm 2017.3.3. It seems this folder is not empty, so I just go and check that. Might be I installed earlier. Oops, I think it's already installed. I'm just removing this. Oh, it's not removing. We'll do one thing. So we'll specify pycharm 2017 and click on next button. So it asks for the desktop shortcut. I just selecting 64-bit and click on next button and select next. Start installing the pycharm in your system. What is this? I think it's taking some time to get all the files from the JetBrains and install it into your local system, it seems. So it's getting it, extracting all the files, and done. So far, I think it's installing, extracting all the resource files and jar files. So some more time it's taking. I think you can see details here, show details. So what are the files? It is getting it from the JetBrains something. So done, and clicking on finish. Installation is done now. If you go and check it your desktop, your shortcut will be added here. So just click on this shortcut and you'll see it is going to download and open your pycharming programming. So obviously it is showing create new project, open something. I'm just selecting create new project. So it is asking about the location where you are going to save your Python programming script files. I'm just giving some YouTube and clicking on create. So it is going to set up all the relevant files into your folder, and it's creating a virtual environment for you to proceed writing of Python scripting in IDE. So this is the IDE where pycharm is providing to write scripts in the Python programming. So it have all menus and setting up your virtual environment to proceed further, installing setup tools, pips, wheel, something. What is this? It's taking time. So yeah, it's done, and it's not required tip something. So just clicking on close, and this is the IDE initially you will get once you install pycharm. So here you will see your given folder name YouTube. So it has some built-in libraries. So include libraries and scripts and TCL, something like this. So these are the inbuilt-in libraries which are provided by the pycharm. So to help it out to write some the lengthy programming, scripting programming. So using of these libraries. When you look at other programmings, we'll be having standard libraries, standard IO, standard lib, and standard graphics, something. Similarly, Python also have some built-in libraries and includes. So you can include and these are libraries, and you can use based on your need. Come to here, I right click on this, and I select new, and I selecting Python file. So for my name, I'm mentioning fast, and the extension of Python file is py. So you should mention this extension without fail. I'm mentioning fast and py. This is the extension of Python programming. And once you give this and click on OK button, it is going to add your programming, the file into your YouTube folder fast.py. Now, I'm just trying print here. This is a built-in function comes default by Python in the pycharm. So it gives you the syntax values, something. I'm mentioning welcome to Python. So I'm just enter this and press enter. It comes to next line.